Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Coke disappear. Take a regular glass. I've got a 20-ounce bottle of Coca-Cola, but you can use a can of Coke or whatever. And the secret ingredient, Clorox bleach. Now, you want to use Clorox bleach because other bleaches don't do as good, or they don't work at all for this experiment. Remove the cap and pour about a half a glass at least of the bleach into the glass. Put the lid back on, set it aside, open up the bottle of Coke, and slowly pour the Coke into the bleach, watching it disappear. As you can see, it appears that there's no Coke whatsoever going into the bleach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.